Oh, hey, Lavender, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm B, and on this channel, we help you improve your confidence by way of compliments, utilizing the wonderful world of fragrance. If this is your second video or more, we ask that you hit the subscribe button and come back to rock with your boy. Today, we have a special video, and if you've been tuned in on this channel for a while, then you know there's one thing I'm good at is teaching men's fragrance. Okay, that's what I do on this channel, man. I talk about fragrance all day, every day. However, today I'm doing something a little bit different, courtesy of teaching men's fashion. I'm not teaching you fashion. Today, I'm talking about the latest release from Teaching Men's Fashion, which is Santa Lucia, okay? Listen, man, if you know anything about Jose and what they have going on over there, then you already know, well, quality is what they do. So when they hit me up, they say, yo, B, we got a pack in the mail for you. And I said, send that thing through. And here we have it. We have 3 very special fragrances in the box, which I'm going to tell you all about. But if you're wondering if you should get this thing, you're not sure, you're like, I'm going to listen to what B says, and you don't want to listen to the whole video, you may not want to. You may want to come back, because the last release that they did of this thing sold out in 2 hours, and you could be wasting seconds on your opportunity to pick some up. But let me tell you all about this. Up front, man, I'm going to tell you that this thing was sent to me, but these things are high quality. As I mentioned, the name of this fragrance house is Santa Lucia, and you have 3 fragrances here. The first fragrance that they released sold out in 2 hours, and they decided to up it just a bit and provide you 3 fragrances to try out. I think this is going to be blown out, so we'll be sure to show you some B-roll on these fragrances. There are 3 fragrances within this collection. It's Come Closer, to Conquering, and also Every Day. And if you're anything like me and you organize your fragrances by house, then you put this together, it's going to say Come Closer, to Conquering, Every Day. And it also spells out the name of the house here, which I think is all super dope and super detailed. So this fragrance house is really supposed to represent everything you need within a fragrance brand, and you have it all in one box that you can bundle up if you choose to do so. Now, what I'll tell you with this is you have 3 fragrances for 3 very specific situations, and they kind of run the entire meal. So Come Closer, as you may imagine just by the name, is for that special date night. All right, if you have that close cuddle buddy action, this is the fragrance that you want to reach for. Now, what I'll tell you about this one, just because I noticed it based upon what they said, it says Eau de Parfum here on the bottle. It actually says it on all of them, but these are confirmed to be Parfum concentration. There appears to be a mix-up in the warehouse, but I wanted to throw that out there just in case you were wondering. Now, they have this card here that tells you a little bit about the fragrance, and then I'm going to spray it and tell you how I feel about it. So this one says, as soon as you walk into a room, women will notice you. That tends to happen, yeah, especially when you're rocking fragrances. It goes on to say, you carry yourself with seductive energy. When women approach you and say, what are you wearing? You tell them, come closer. Yes, man, don't be creepy with it though. Don't say it like that. Don't say, come closer. All right, so this is the fragrance that draws them in. As I mentioned, that cuddle buddy activity is what we need. Let's check the spray. Pow, pow. Look at that thing. Also, some of the key player notes in this fragrance are supposed to be bergamot, Turkish rose, iris, and sandalwood. Now, when I talk about iris and fragrance, a lot of people go to Dior lineup. This one doesn't smell anything like that. What I'll tell you is right off the break, you're going to notice that this thing has quality. All of the ingredients on these fragrances are made in France, so pick these things up from there, man. High quality for sure. There's no alcohol vibe that you're getting with any scents. And actually, when I spray this fragrance, I liken it to fragrance houses that I truly enjoy. On this first one here, Come Closer, I was spraying this one the other night, man, and I was like, man, this is dope. Come Closer really reminds me of something that I would pick up in Initio or Parfum de Marly. Not saying that this smells like any of their fragrances, but it's definitely something that I could see them releasing. And I'm not sure if it's the presentation that likens me to that, because as you guys know, I'm a fan of some fragrances that they offer, and one of them comes in a bottle that is similar to this, and this fragrance smells nothing like that. All right, this one here is dope. And then I'll tell you, you're gonna get that rose in this fragrance, but it's not like a pungent rose at all, which tends to happen in a lot of fragrances. This one is soft in terms of that rose feel, but it also has this nice elegance to it. So this one is not going to be anything that stings the nostrils. This is really something that lures you in a little bit closer, as they say. Now, in the background of this fragrance, the iris provides just a slightly powdery feel in here. And man, it's not like a lipstick vibe as you would notice, but it's just a slight powder in the background, which I personally find to be enjoyable. If this was not sent to me, this is one of these fragrances that I would pick up, just not even knowing what this house was all about. Jose, I like you, but this fragrance here without your name attached to it is still a go. The second fragrance I have here is To Conquering. And as I mentioned, if you line these things up, it's come closer to conquering every day. Let's see what they say about this fragrance. The notes are grapefruit, St. Thomas pepper, and oak moss. Listen, even if you are not the boss, you are destined to conquer, okay? That's personally how I feel. I wake up in the morning and say, today is going down. It says you are the CEO of your life, which is very true. You are the chief executive officer and the CFO and the COO of your life, and the CMO as well if you're doing YouTube, okay? And be a man of class and taste and known to be focused and powerful, okay? Listen, man, CEOs are all of those things in most cases if things are done right, all right? To Conquering here, again, is grapefruit, St. Thomas pepper, and oak moss. Let me spray this thing here on the paper once again, and let's see what we get. Distribution is the same there. Bow, bow. Even the mist just looks good. So to me, when I smell this fragrance, it smells top tier. This fragrance smells like one that you are going to rock and be sophisticated. It has that touch of elegance to this scent that you can immediately smell it. Just like the last fragrance I mentioned, that the quality is definitely there. And just in case you were wondering, these caps sit in there pretty snug. So I'm just, and there's no shake there, which is, you know, CEOs are unshakable, okay, as you should be with this one. And it's really there, man. This fragrance here has class, it has sophistication, and it has elegance to it. Now, when we typically talk about designer fragrances and you talk about, you know, grapefruit, or you're talking about pepper, you really can't detect the notes there. Or the grapefruit comes off in a way that's like, yeah, I guess. It's here in this fragrance, but it's not as juicy as you would get in a like actual live grapefruit. There's something about it that just kind of ties back to it in itself, but personally, I love fragrance in grapefruit more than I love a grapefruit in real life. And this one definitely has some sophistication to it. If I had to liken this to anything, I don't know anything that smells like this, but if I had to liken it to a specific house like I did on the other one, I would say that this smells something along the lines that we could expect with a rosé. It's not as strong there. This is definitely a little lighter, and which makes sense. If you're in the office, you don't want to be overpowering, but there's sophistication, elegance there. And I'll get into a full reviews of these fragrances when I get time to do so, but I definitely wanted to make sure that you had a good understanding about them because these things move quick. I also know they're doing a special deal. If you click the link down below or utilize my code BigBeardBusiness or click the link down below, you can pick up these fragrances, all three, and save $150. That is huge, okay? That is huge because, well, he wants to make sure you guys are smelling great. And listen, I'm a huge supporter of that. And the final one here is Everyday, which is a fragrance to be worn in an everyday situation. Dress it up, dress it down, wear it casually. That's everyday for me. So Everyday is said to have grapefruit, cardamom, and cedarwood. This one says this is your everyday fragrance, okay? This is something that isn't too powerful, which is perfect for everyday fragrance. But when noticed, compliments you will get without effort. All right, that's exactly what we need here, and I'm kind of paraphrasing what he has. And then for the times you see an ex-girlfriend, that long lost ex-girlfriend, or someone of importance, when you stumble across them, you're always leaving a lasting impression. That's what you need to do, okay? Like I said on this channel, man, this channel is about improving your confidence by way of compliments, utilizing the wonderful world of fragrance. Look at that distribution. This is fresh. This is clean. This thing is, ain't nobody's dope as me. I'm just too fresh and clean. Yeah, this thing is Perfect for an everyday wear. If you had to liken it to a season, spring, summer for sure, season specific, but yeah, man, I'm feeling this one. This one here, right here, if I had to liken this one to any specific house, I would say that this one's along the house of Bond, all right? Bond, I think, would do something like this. So he knows his stuff, okay? He went through and said, hey, I'm a fragrance guy, and I'm gonna put together my own fragrance collection, and I think he really did a good job here. The detail in terms of what the presentation offers, you already know me, Mr. FTB, so I don't care about the box, but I do like that the fragrance together spells out the name of the house, right? And then it also gives you a message, all right? Come closer to conquering every day. That's what you got to do, all right? You got to do that. I'm super excited with what they did here, man. Listen. But this is what a lot of you guys out there are thinking. Does it smell like alcohol? No reminiscence of alcohol there. I can tell that they took their time. Good quality ingredients utilized in these fragrances. Someone who put these together knew exactly what they were doing, and listen, no misses at all. So again, very important things to remember. If you're looking to try these fragrances, do not wait. The last fragrance that they released sold out in 2 hours, no longer available, will never be available again. And now you have these 3 fragrances here. Parfum concentration, all right, again, the bottle says Eau de Parfum, but they have confirmed that these things are Parfum concentration. That's 20% perfume oils or higher, and then you have roughly 80% of alcohol, depending on you know, how much of the actual perfume oil is there. Listen, I'm excited. Some of you, another question you might ask, B, if you had to rank these things, what order would you go if you could only purchase one? These bottles are $150 a piece. Again, you can purchase the entire set for $300, but if I had to rank them in my personal order, I would go every day, I would go come closer, and then I would go to conquering, okay? Every day, come closer to conquering. That's cool too, all right? I did my own mix and match on this fragrance line. There you have it. That's my take on this. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are you going to grab this? Yes, you better do it, because these things will go away. At very least, you can buy some, hold it, and then flip it, all right? That's what happens in the shoe world. It could happen in the fragrance game as well. As always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Just hit the goddamn